This is Rockin' Whips.
Operation Snow Go.
Beautiful combination of both verbal and non-verbal techniques.
Come on, how about a good old work song?
Full throttle! You chickened out on me. I told you I wanted all the power you got.
What do we do now?
Now we gotta dig a lot deeper.
I've got to get out of here.
I'll take care of this. Calm down. Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Doctor, you want it on the phone.
There you go, Greek four-wheel drive.
You're watching Rockin' Whips.
I guess we just sit here and wait till you get him. No, we don't. We haven't got time.
It was really bad yesterday, dude.
Hello, everybody. I'm Stu Nahan. I'd like you to meet Jeff Spicoli. And Jeff, things look kind of rough out there today.
Danger is my business. It was really bad yesterday, dude. I was walking, bro. I was coming up, dude. It's about right here. I was the first one to step onto the line.
A little hard to do an episode of Rockin' Whips. When the car's in 9 feet of snow. Just amazing. It's supposed to snow again tonight.
I'm really nice and warm today. Inside on the phone, responding to her.
How is it in Wisconsin?
Wisconsin is fantastic, covered in snow. Get the snowmobiles out, everybody's riding.
The following Rockin' Whips broadcast features stunts and driving by professionals who spent up to multiple minutes preparing for this program.
What?
Please, do not try this at home.
Don't even tell me again.
Do not try this at home.
What are you, stupid?
I am telling you this from personal experience.
Now you're talking to me, baby.
Do not try this at home or in your whips.
Hey, it's not that bad. Basically just moaning and moaning.
You're watching Rockin' Whips.
Can't even see the wheel. EJ, what do you think? How do you deal with snow in Chicago? This ain't cops. Let's see your face.
Look what I got here. Hey, where are the white women at?
You're watching Rockin' Whips.
My husband starts my car in the morning.
Really?
Uh-huh.
That's your tip?
Yeah, have your husband start your car in the morning. Make sure it's nice and cozy and warm.
I got no choice! I got no choice!
It makes us more attracted to him.
It's so simple.
That's it.
You're watching Rockin' Whips.
Snow plowing tips? Just drive.
You're going the wrong way! You're going in the wrong direction! You're going to kill somebody!
Where did you learn your trade? Whoever told you that you could work with men?
How are you dealing with the snow?
You see the shovel? Pinche Peter's broken the shovel.
Telling you, I should have come in 10 years ago. I'd have been a millionaire by this point.
He's a big boy. He knows what he said. What'd you say?
Pinche Peter's broken the shovel. Now I'll buy a new one. You know what? Even if you drive a four-wheel drive and you could go in the snow, you stop just like everybody else. Easy up on the speed. You might have four-wheel drive. That doesn't mean you stop any better than anybody else, guys.
All the cars are buried in snow. It's gonna hit some more tomorrow. Brutal out here. Buy a house with a garage, 3-car, 4-car garage, 2.5-car garage. What if you live in an apartment though? Get a job, make more money. Don't say that.